Hey guys, it's me Coumba, and today I'll be talking about the struggles I overcame when homeschooling. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Coumba, I'm 15, I'm from Mali, but I live in Dubai and I'm an elite tennis player. I joined Wolsey Hall 2 years ago, and let me tell you, the first 3 months was a roller coaster. I used to struggle a lot with paying attention. I would zone out constantly. This used to be a problem for me because I would be stuck on a topic for days. Music, meditation, all didn't help me. But I started using Google and watching videos about the topic. This helped me get more involved with the topic and helped me zone out less. I also struggled staying motivated. So the first week I studied for 5 hours, but then I lost that and I was starting to do less than 2 hours. I was missing deadlines. As I told you, it was a roller coaster. Then one day I realized I planned everything around my tennis practice because it was part of my daily routine, like brushing my teeth. And if I treated studying as important as eating, I would get more work done. And it worked. I got so much more work done. Now I can study 4 hours without getting unmotivated. One thing I didn't expect is how much harder and how much more work you have to do in online school. In traditional school, you sit and choose to pay attention or not, but in online school, it's a totally different story. You have to put 100% every single time. But this allowed me to get more out of each topic. As I told you, I passed a lot of deadlines, but my SPM, Miss Jessie, was very supportive about it. She helped me through the whole thing. If I was in a tournament and I knew I'm gonna not make 4 assignment deadline, she would help me out with it. I would just send her an email, explain to her that I wouldn't be able to submit it, and she would notify all my other tutors. As I told you, I travel a lot, which means I study in different places very often. At first it was very hard for me because my environment was completely different, but then I realized there will always be a type of distraction. Although I can't control all distractions, I can control some of them, like my phone. A piece of advice when you're studying: put your phone away. Avoid it at all costs. 1 minute you're changing the music, the next you're watching a movie. On my last video, I mentioned I carried all my stuff in this bag. This is because my first traveling while online schooling was not good. Like bad. This is because I practically packed my whole room. I was extremely unmotivated to study because the thought of unpacking my suitcase, which technically had my whole room, was not pleasing. I also realized I don't need a lot of stuff to study with. I just need my phone, my bag, my book, my laptop, my textbook, and my notebook. Now let's talk about problems I had with the internet. This, I can say, is the most irritating thing that can happen to you. So now I just pack ahead. Since Dubai is a first world country, I do not face a lot of problems with the Wi-Fi. But if I know I'm traveling to a second or third world country, I'll screenshot the module just in case the Wi-Fi does not work in the hotel. Although today I only spoke about struggles I had, I feel like I got more experience and more maturity. It also helped me develop skills in perseverance and independence that I don't think I would have learned as well in traditional school. Online school with Wolsey Hall has changed my life for the better. It has given me time to do the thing I love and has taught me things that I didn't even know about. I wish I had a video like this to let me know I was not alone. But here's a video for anyone who's watching. You are not alone. This happens to everyone. It's just a learning process and I know you're gonna make it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye!